Okay.
After Terry will be Ken Sansbury and Jeremy Laughlin. Then we'll do the pull-off, and after that we'll move up to the 5,500-pound class. They've got 2 tractors in that class. Dean Harst and the Sundyne tractor.
Do you have any idea what those will go for, or does it just vary?
All right, we got Terry hooked up to the sled. He's got the chain tight. Gary's got a green flag waving.
Okay.
He's off. He's rolling. Terry parking. Beacon, Illinois. Allis WD. Trying to see if he can reach that full mark. Nothing less than that'll get you in the show. Terry's got a nice, clean-looking Allis, all painted up.
Alrighty.
Won't see it in one looking much better than that. Come on, Terry. Stay with it there, bud.
Okay.
Got to get started going here. Got a nice, smooth running tractor. Just take it to the end. That's all you got to do.
Okay.
He's starting to bite pretty good, getting a little light in the front end. Let's see if he can keep it down.
Okay.
He's heading for the mark. Terry Parkin, Beacon, Illinois, giving it all through.
Okay.